Hi, my name is John Swerdlow. I'm Director of the Adventure Leadership Program at the University of Michigan. One of our main goals is to get people who've never been camping out into the wilderness. Today, I want to talk a little bit about tents. If you're going camping, there's two types of tents to look at. One is a front country tent. Front country meaning you're driving to your camp spot and just camping near your car. And then there's backcountry tents, littler tents that you can carry with you. So here's an example of a nice big hefty front country tent, plenty of headroom, lots of space. Here's an example of a smaller tent that you can carry in a backpack. So with all these tents, you can find great instructions and videos online, how to set them up. I just want to go over a few of the pieces and parts so you're kind of familiar and ready to roll when you get out there. So all tents are going to have a body. The basic part you're going to sleep in. A lot of them have a ton of mesh for airflow, and that'll keep mosquitoes out too. Then there's going to be a ground cloth, something like this, that will go underneath the tent. And then finally, to keep you dry, a rain tarp that's built in to the tent once it's set up that goes together. So those are the three pieces and parts that you'll see how to set up when you watch that great video online. A couple things I want to point out that are helpful. The connection points are often color-coded. This is gray. These are going to go at the same part of the tent poles. At the other end, this is green, and there'll be green ones that'll match there. And that's really helpful so you don't get confused and don't turn things sideways when you're setting up. There are two basic ways that poles attach to tents. This particular tent uses both. One is the pole slides into a sleeve, and for the other is a clip. This one has a cool feature where it goes on and you turn it 90 degrees and it clips on. A couple other things to think about when you are setting up your tent. One, you want to set it up in a place that'll stay dry when it rains. If you set up in a little depression, a low area, and you get a good rain, you're going to get a puddle. Pretty much no tent will keep you dry if you're in a puddle. So look for a spot that's flat and a little bit raised from the neighboring areas. And finally, one safety thing is always take a look up. If you're near trees, look for big dead branches. In the business, we call them widowmakers because branches can come down during a storm. So don't set up your tent under that scary looking branch. One final piece I could suggest if you're a brand new camper is set up a tent in your backyard, take a nap in it, and you'll see how great they work. Learn more about adventure leadership and rec sports on our YouTube channel, or check out our webpage, recsports.umich.edu, and for my program, click on Adventure.